Hello everyone and welcome to an amazing project that I have for you today. We are going to be building up this, let me call it a books application, which is going to be making use of the New York Times API in order to get the data about these books. And then it's going to use Tailwind CSS for the styling, and NextJs is going to be on the front end. Now, this is not the first page of this application. The first page is going to be showing the book categories. So the one that we were just viewing is called hardcover fiction. But if I go back and I say I want to look at something else, something like sport and fitness, then I simply click on this category and it takes me into an inner page about that particular category, and then it shows me books concerning that category. So it's going to be a nice application if you're getting started with Next.js and you're having trouble with how the routing works and how fetching data in server components works. So we're going to be doing all that in this application, and I hope you're ready. It's going to be a short series, probably going to be 2 or 3 parts at most. And yes, I do have the flu.